Welcome Dan Explosions 912, and I'm sorry I haven't been YouTubing. I just took a day off yesterday. That's all. I'm sorry about that. But they're going to start a bird thing. You could probably hear the birds right now. They're pretty loud. And this is the bird place. So that's the bird place. But yeah, I like it. Sounds good. Let's see. So I probably won't YouTube this, but maybe. I don't know if I should. But I like the birds. They're parrots. There's like over there, over behind us, there's like 20 birds that flew above us. It was really cool. And I remember what the bird was, but it's kind of cool, I think. I've never been to it before. We're at Animal Kingdom, if you want to know. It's pretty cool here. I will make some videos of like the Mine Train one if you haven't seen that one. That's really good. The other one is Tower of Terror, and I'm probably going to come out with a new one today. Yeah. So I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
may we have your attention, please? As a courtesy to our guests, we ask you to please remain seated during the show. Thank you.
So the parrots are coming out. I can maybe give you the show. Yeah, I can. So
Greetings, my friends. Namaste. You have arrived at a very special place. In times past, the Rashas of Anandapur brought exotic animals here, including magnificent birds from all around the world. The Maharashtras are long gone, but the birds remain. Birds of many nations, many species. Journey with us into a world that until now we only observed from a distance. A world that fills the sky above with grace, color, and life. Until now, you may have ignored this vanishing world, but the free people of Anandapur use this ancient gathering place to promote the conservation effort you see going on all around the village. This is no fairy tale, but a true story in which you play an important part. Enjoy these beautiful creatures as they soar into your heart on their flights of wonder.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Welcome to Flights of Wonder. My name is Corey. I'm a part of a team of researchers brought here to Anandapur to take care and study all the beautiful birds you'll find in this ancient aviary. Best part about my day? This. When I get to come out here, show these incredible birds with you and their very cool natural behaviors. I'm going to start with this guy sitting in the tree in the woods over there. That's Miles. Miles is called a trumpeter hornbill. Trumpeter hornbills are found in the forests of Africa. They fly around looking for lots of different things to eat, like fruit and insects.
I like it.
But even flying insects. And that's what we're going to demonstrate with this grape. I want you all to imagine this grape is a big, fat, juicy dragonfly with Miles spots. You ready, Miles? Pay attention. Ready? Yeah! And losing a feather in the middle of it. You know what? That looks like
He
fun. Is there
lost
someone
the
who wants to try
feather.
that? Somebody younger want to try it? How about on the paper right there? Do you want to help? Great. I'm going to throw the grape up. You fly up and catch it. Okay. What's your name? Anya. Okay, go ahead and take that grape. When I count to 3, you're going to throw that Maria straight into the air on Miles. You watch Anya. She's got it.
I think I might end it right here.
Yeah!